Ooh, it's the color I want. I got another delivery today, and glary. I did not order a glary. So I wonder what is in here. I ordered another company, Claxton. So, I don't know if they substituted something for something. I don't know. Let's find out. A little damage here. I wonder how that happens. Anyway, let's put the razor blade in here. Whoops. Go right along the seam. Here. Ooh. It's the color I want. Or ordered. I actually ordered this by mistake. Let me come over here. Get this out of here. Hopefully I can leave the plastic behind. Okay, nice tweed LP case. Very nice. Let's see what's inside. Spot over here where the glue didn't take. That's no big deal. Here, okay. Excellent. All right, we have a key, and we have a tag. Excellent. Beautiful. Thank you, Glary. This case is for this guitar. Indian Vina. Made in, I believe, Vietnam. Does it fit? Ooh, nice and snug. Very nice. Excellent. More on this guitar and the story behind it later.